The Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, alongside various health organizations, inaugurated the 9th Clinica in Eastwood, a pioneering PPP facility for HIV and STI prevention. Details from Vanessa Cleofas.
The Quezon City government, led by Mayor Joy Belmonte along with Mega World Management, the Philippine National AIDS Council and the Department of Health inaugurates the 9th Clinica in Eastwood. This primary care facility is the first private-public partnership in the country aimed at providing health services related to human immunodeficiency virus or HIV and sexually transmitted infection or STI prevention. According to Mayor Joy, the number of young people contracting this infection is increasing. Therefore, the city continues its programs to help protect the youth from these infections.
Kasi yung mga tumataas na cases ay mas bata na ngayon, mga kabataan. So meron po tayong mga modules. We actually teach or educate our young people sa public schools about HIV, AIDS, and the other STIs, how not to get it, how to test, for example, how to avoid or how to have the right mindset as well, na dapat hindi sila nahihiya, kundi bahagi ito ng accessing regular healthcare services. So we teach that to our youngsters, and we are also partners now with our SK Federation members, mga SK chairs po natin.
In addition, Dr. Rolly Cruz mentioned that their city has already passed ordinances to control and prevent HIV and STI. Under these ordinances, more clinics are required to be established in their city to address this infection.
Number 2020, napirmahan na po natin yung ating very comprehensive ordinance on HIV. Kaya ito po yung nag-include, kaya po tayo nandito. Nandun po yung sa ordinansa na yun, yung pagpapatayo ng lahat ng clinic sa ating sa 6 na district.
The city is also targeting QC0 at 2030 or zero new HIV infections, zero AIDS-related deaths, and zero discrimination. However, the Quezon City Health Department emphasized that achieving this goal requires cooperation from the public. That's why they closely monitor those who test positive for HIV and STI.
Kulang pa po kami sa detection. Nandun pa kami sa una sa detection kasi once na nahawakan na namin sila, dapat sana hindi na namin sila papakawalan. Mula detection, treatment hanggang care. So talagang kailangan namin mas marami pang makita at marami pang matest kasi hindi namin malalaman kung tapos na ang aming trabaho. Hindi pa siya po tapos. Nag-uumpisa po. Dadamihan po namin ang test.
Regional Director Rio Magpantay of the Metro Manila Center for Health Development advised everyone not to stigmatize HIV testing.
Lahat po kasi ng tao, kay mayaman ka, kay babae ka, kay mahirap ka, kay lalaki ka, kay member ka ng LGBTQIA, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng HIV. Basta yung ating pong practices ay medyo risky. Kaya hindi ibig sabihin na nagpapatest ka isa nag-stigma yun. We just wanted to know your status and make sure that every time na magte-test ka ay makapagpayo ka rin ng iba na ang pagkapatest ay hindi masama. Ito ay isang magandang actually adhikain para natin lalo mapaigting ang laban natin kontra HIV.
Among the services offered at the clinic located on the 3rd floor of the Eastwood City Walk parking are the following. Aside from the clinic in Eastwood, which is part of the District 3 in Quezon City, there are also facilities in District 1, 2, 4, and 5. A similar clinic is currently being set up in District 6. The said primary care facility is open from Monday to Friday from 12 noon until 9 in the evening. Meanwhile, the inauguration of this clinic is also part of the celebration of the Pride Month. This is Vanessa Cleofas for EuroTV News.